In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GMB everywhere to Chrome. This quick guide will help you install the Google Business Profile and Maps SEO extension so you can see valuable local SEO insights right inside Google Search and Google Maps. First, open the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by opening a new tab in Chrome and searching for Chrome Web Store, or by navigating directly if you've used it before. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top left and type GMB Everywhere, GBP Audit for local SEO. Be precise with the name to avoid similar sounding tools. In the results, look for the official extension that lists gmbeverywhere.com as the publisher. This helps you confirm you're installing the authentic version. Click on that result to open the extensions page where you can read a brief overview, view screenshots, and check user reviews if you want extra confidence. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear showing you what the extension needs to run properly. Take a moment to review those details, then choose Add Extension. Chrome will begin installing it, and you'll see a small notification near the top right once it's done. This usually takes only a few seconds. After installation, you don't need to configure anything to get started. Head over to Google Search or Google Maps in the same browser. When you look up local businesses, the tool will automatically display extra SEO data right on the page. Expect to see useful information like business categories, competitor category insights, and quick audit buttons that can speed up your local SEO research and assessments. If you want the extension at your fingertips, you can optionally pin it for easy access. Click the extensions icon in Chrome, which looks like a small puzzle piece near the top right. Find GMB everywhere in the list and click the pin icon. This adds the extensions icon to your toolbar so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. That's it. You've successfully added GMB everywhere to Chrome. From now on, when you search on Google or explore Google Maps, you'll see added Google Business Profile features and simple audit tools woven right into your results. It's a lightweight upgrade that can save time and surface insights faster, especially if you're comparing competitors or validating categories. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined local SEO workflow.